નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now next question number 6 for the exercise 6.1. In question number 6, in each of the following pairs, which number is to right of the other on the number line? Here given, I will draw a one number line. In number line is between 0 in this side positive number, in this side a negative number. The given number to which number to the right side of the other number, right? So first of all 2 and 9. So here our 2 and here our 9. So which number to right side? So 9 is the right side of 2, right? This one is, so here in this side right side and this side is left side. Clear? So first question answer is 9 is right of 2. Clear? Same for the second one, minus 3 and minus 8. So here is minus 3 and here is minus 8. So which number to right side? So in this side to right side, in this side to left side. So minus 3 is right of minus 8. Clear? Okay. Now to the next 0 and minus 1. So here is 0, here is minus 1. In this 2, in this side right, in this side left. So in this side right, and right side which number? 0, and left side which number? Minus 1. So 0 is right of minus 1. This one is third question answer. Next, minus 11. So here is minus 11 and here is 10. So in this side right, in this side left. So right hand side which number? 10, and left hand side which number? Minus 11. So answer is 10 is right of minus 11. Clear? So this one is question number 6. Then question number 7, write all integer between the given pair, but here in bracket write to increasing order. So increasing order yani ki small to big number and decreasing big to small number. So first of all 0 and minus 7. So which number is between 0 and minus 7? Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. This one is between 0 to minus 7. One more times 0 and minus 7. So which number is between 0 and minus 7? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This all number is between 0 and minus 7, right? But we write to increasing order. So increasing order is means small to big, right? So first of all here 1, 2, 3, 4 side. Positive number big is 2, 2 to big 3, 3 to big 4, 4 to big 5, 5 to big 6, right? But in negative side to opposite. Minus 1 and minus 2, in this 2 big number is minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 3 big number minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 4 big number is minus 3. Clear? So now 0 and minus 7. So 0 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These all are negative number. So negative number write into increasing order. Increasing small to big. So small number is minus 6. So write down minus 6, then after minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So this one is our answer. Clear? Same for the second one, minus 4 and 4. Minus 4 and 4, first of all minus 4 and 4 between number minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? But write down in increasing order. So increasing order small to big. The small number is, the first of all small number, this one is positive, this one is negative. So negative number is small, but minus 4, so minus 4 to in this side minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one is our answer. Clear? Okay. Next, minus 8 and minus 15. So first of all find the minus 8 and minus 15 between number, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. But write down in increasing. So in negative, all the negative integers increasing to last one. So small number is minus 14, right? So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. So this one is our answer. Next, minus 30 and minus 23. The minus 30 and minus 23 is between number minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24, right? And this one is minus 23. But we are right down into increasing order. So increasing order is means the first of all small number. So minus 30 and minus 23, small number is minus 30. So in this side, so first of all minus 29, 28, minus 27, minus 26, 25 and 24. So this one is our answer. Clear? Understand? Okay. Next, question number 8. In question number 8, first question, write 4 negative integer greater than minus 20. Write down the 4 negative integer. Here is using negative. This means you write down only negative integer, no positive integer. But greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20 is means minus 20 to big. Minus 20 to big. Here is negative integer. The negative integer is minus 20. So negative integers in this side. In minus 22, opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to big number 2, 2 to big number 3. But in negative side, interchange. Minus 1 and minus 2, big number is minus 1. So here is 20. The 20 to big number is means in this side. Minus 90, 90 to big number, minus 80, minus 80 to big number, minus 70 and minus 70 to big number, minus 60. So this one is 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Clear? Now second question, write 4 negative integer less than minus 10. Same for the question, but here is greater than number and here is less than number. It means less than number, यानी कि minus 10 to small number. Minus 10 to small. So minus 10 is big, the small number is means minus 11. Minus 10 is big. Then after minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. In this minus 10 is big number, right? So this one is second question answer. Clear? Now next, exercise 6.2, first question. Using the number line, write the integer which is first 3 more than 5. You are using the 3 more than 5, but using the number lines. Using the number line, write the integer which is the first question 3 more than 5. So first of all, number line. We all are know in any number lines, the between 0, right hand side all positive number, left hand side all negative number. I have write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So this one is our number line. Now the first question, the 3 more than 5. So first of all check last digit. First of all check last digit. So our last digit is 5. So put the first of all here is our 5. Now more than. More than is means slide to right hand side. So our right hand side is means this. So slide to this side. But how many step? So 3. One more times, 3 more than 5. So first of all check the last digit is 5. This means this one is 5. More than is means slide to this side, right hand side, right? And how many step? 3. So 5 to our first step, second step and third step. So our answer is 8, right? First step, second step and third step. So our answer is 8. So first question answer is 8. Clear? Same for the second one. But in second question, 6 less than 2. 6 less than 2. So first of all, draw number line. So in number line between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this side, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. In both the side up to infinite, in this side to infinite. Same for the first one. So first of all check the last. So last number is 2. So our 2 is here. Right? Now to the less than. The more than, slide to right hand side. Then less than, slide to left hand side. But how many steps? So here is given 6. So check first of all. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? How many? Left hand side. So our answer is -4. Now clear? Next, 5 more than -5. So first of all draw a number line, and number lines to between a 0, in this side positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. First of all check the last digit. Our last digit is means 5. So this one is our -5. Last digit here is -5. So this one is -5. Now more than is means slide to this side, right hand side. Right? But how many step? So here is given 5. This means 5 step, slide to this side, right hand side. Check. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth, right hand side. So our answer is 0. Third question answer is 0. Clear? Same for the fourth one. 3 less than -2. So first of all draw number line in between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Same for the 3. First of all check the last digit. So here last digit is -2. So start from -2. Less than is means slide to this side, in this side, right? Left hand side. But how many digit? 3. So slide to this side. 1, 2, 3. Right? So answer is -5. Clear? So this one is using the number line, write the integer. First question answer 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5 means 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Same for the second. 6 less than 2. 6 less than 2 is means -4. Why? Because 6 less than 2 is means 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 answer is -4. So using number line. Clear?
Thank you for joining us.